In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly align objects in Blender. Whether you're tidying up a scene or lining up parts for a model, this simple workflow will help you move things precisely without getting bogged down in menus. Start by selecting the object you want to move. In the 3D viewport, click the object so it highlights. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline around it. If you misclick, just click again on the correct object before proceeding. Taking a second here to make sure you have the right item saves time later. Now grab the object. Press G on your keyboard to activate the Move tool. As soon as you press G, the object will follow your mouse, letting you float it around the scene. This is great for quick adjustments, but for clean alignment, you'll usually want to control the direction of the move. To keep the motion perfectly straight, lock it to an axis. Right after pressing G, tap X, Y, or Z to constrain the movement. X moves along the red axis, Y along the green, and Z along the blue. This optional step is incredibly helpful when you want objects to line up without drifting diagonally or shifting in depth. If you're unsure which axis to use, look at the colored axes in the corner of your viewport or the colored lines in the grid. With the axis set, move the object to the desired position by dragging your mouse. You can use the grid and nearby geometry as visual guides to judge alignment. Take your time to position it exactly where it belongs, especially when you're arranging items that need to sit flush or evenly spaced. If you're aligning multiple pieces at once, box selection can help. Press B to activate box selection, then drag a rectangle across the items you want to include. This lets you select a group and move them together, maintaining their relative spacing while you line them up with something else in the scene. It's optional, but it can speed up adjustments when you're organizing several objects. When you're happy with the placement, left click to confirm. That final click tells Blender you're done moving, locking the object into its new position. Here's a quick recap you can memorize. Select the object, press G, add X, Y, or Z if you want to constrain the direction, move it into place, then click to confirm. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Blender tips and tutorials.